Laconic refers to a way of speaking or writing that uses very few words. It's about being brief and to the point. No extra fluff, just the core message. When someone is laconic, they say just enough to get the point across. This style can give off an air of confidence or reservedness. When someone is laconic, their communication style is such that every word matters. And it's not just about fewer words for the sake of brevity. It's about doing so strategically so as to enhance the impact of what you're saying. Think of it like a well-aimed arrow. Instead of overwhelming someone with a lot of information, a laconic person hits the bullseye with just few words. This can be incredibly effective, especially where being direct is valued. Think of laconic in terms of its synonyms: crisp, curt, terse, concise. Now, let's talk about grammar. Laconic is primarily used as an adjective. It describes a person, speech, or writing style that's brief and to the point. You won't hear any commonly used noun or verb form of laconic, but the adverb form laconically means that something is done in a laconic way. Let's have some examples now. An explanation for a word should be laconic so that the student is able to understand the core meaning quickly. He laconically answered me with one-word answers like yes or no. Sometimes people answer with minimal words, especially when they don't want to engage in long conversation. These short responses can seem cold or disinterested, but they get the job done. His laconic speech at the conference made a strong impact with minimal words. Imagine a speaker who doesn't waste time with long-winded explanations. Instead, they focus on the essentials, and that clarity can leave a lasting impression on audience. He nodded laconically, not wasting a word. So, to wrap it up, laconic means brief and to the point. Whether you're using it to describe speech, writing, or someone's general communication style, it's all about being concise and clear. The adjective is laconic, while laconically is the adverb.